Yeah.
Return from injury after a month out. Take us through the whole process. Rehab near E. Over back. Sena Ufili.
Oh, every player say upra heading. It's very bitter to be playing and then all of a sudden you go off. I felt very bad, but God being so good now. Recovery was well. Everything went very well, and then I will just thank the medical team for the human's job. Taking me through this process and then getting me fit again. They did a very good work, and then I'm hoping to get the full me as I'm about to start kicking. Yeah.
And I also say, on boys alone, you were involved in ball playing activity over back, Sena Ufili touching the ball once again.
Yeah, going out for a month, over back, there will be some kind of fear. Say maybe you go back again, but Nameka said the medical team did very well. And, for now, I'm okay. Getting a feel of the ball too, I felt very happy to be back on the pitch and to do what I'm good at. So I felt very, very, very cool. Yeah.
You see, the kind that you can't actually put to words, Senior Albert described. At some point, and yet you're starting. At some point, it'll be a year, and then Asante Kotoko knows that more as players are integral. First of all, saying I'm overcome about the whole season, the situation I have feeling a lot of blame, apportion blame,
Yeah. In every situation, it's a lesson. Say what we've gone through now. Actually, no matter what. Say as a playing body, we need to be consistent enough, and then we need to have that focus. Say when we start and things are going well, we shouldn't look back. There were a lot of instances bringing the spirit of the team down, and then a high degree. We felt we were there, not knowing we were in there. Like I said, we lacked the vision and the consistency to get where we wanted to get to. Yeah. But in every situation, we learn lessons from it, and we've learned a lot. Just that we've disappointed though, but the supporting base, they should try as much as possible. In the game of football, sometimes it happens, and if it happens this way, we need to take the positives and leave out the negatives. We've had a lot of negatives in there, and then we have to take it away and then work towards the positive part and get going. Yeah, and him say, I could do it. No man, in Fingusa, yeah, the pieces now. I was picking up. We will try as much as possible to pick the pieces and then prepare very well for the upcoming season. Yeah.
We have as many as 6 games remaining, and we have points near accumulating and still you're safe from the drop.
Yeah.
What will be the focus of the team, the main aim at this point? Because winning the league off, but being part of the league, sending another card more as a group, more focus.
Yeah, this year the Yakache will say we'll pick every maximum point from every game. You better try as much as possible. So you better pick a point at least we'll be at a respectable position. Then have the confidence to start the next season very, very well. Yeah, so 6 matches now, Canada. You will go all out to get every maximum point just to get to a respectable position.
Okay. Jay Oba, oh yeah, one of the players just like Baba about with a lot of hype. Baba because of the things with Kim Fraser and he playing in Kumasi. Also as captain for team my friends at Wafa, Obiase. No, Marshall Pan, Kase, you were good for football. But unfortunately, yes, idea. Yeah, why I'm sure someone so bad, but to say, yeah, sure they're the best. What would you say, sir? I'm one who the best out of Michael because I had a list of players if you were far back to I had a fertile ground for them. At the end, I call wrong. What assurance do you have for the fans?
Yeah, as you said, playing in Wafa and then coming to Kotoko, they are two different places. And then the support base, the environment, the conditions of service are two different, in two different ways. Yeah. So adaptation, one was a problem. Now I've gotten my foot very well, and the Michael you knew in Wafano, I'm sure you'll get to know that person come next year or next season, because I know this is not how I perform, this is not how I play, and then those who know how I play know the quality I possess. So this season, yes, I would say I've been shambolic. I didn't live up to my expected bill, and I'm pleading on the supporters to have patience, and then come next season, the best will be out, and then you will enjoy every bit of me. Yeah.
So we are the type of person that one can say, where I say so, not critically. What the key blame where it needs to be showed and any where you need to improve.
Yeah, my self
introspection.
critical. Yeah, I've been critical to myself. I've taken retrospect to what I have done for the club, and I think it's not up there. And per my level, I know I can do much better. So the positives are yet to come. Yeah.
In as much as your man course and in your own opinion, why among your group now feels that he has really impressed you in performance? You always applaud Sani Pano, be it youngster, old player.
I think Peter Aqua has done a human job. Yeah, he's young, and then he used to carry the team along very well, and I will applaud him for that. He should just keep his head up, and then we'll keep going.
Midfield, you know, one area critical, but in your absence, in the absence of Sheriff, you must step up. Also, by a few games, I think that you have a challenge to fight for a place. Looking at the guys that step in.
Yeah, sure.
So, are you ready for that?
Yeah, as a footballer, you always have to be ready, regardless of the kind of competition, and the competition brings the best out of you. So you keep working to you see the best out of us.
Yeah. But I say now, I say games are okay. With me, and they need the stamina. Injury free, what's me up to also to the end of the season. And that's it.